What is the cost of tiling a rectangle plot of 500-meter long and 200-meter wide at a rate of rupees 80 per 100 square meter? Now, what does this mean? Say we have a rectangle plot like this. You're tiling them in, so you're placing tiles in this manner. So here the cost is that for every 100 square meters, you're paying 8 rupees. First thing is, let's have a look at the structure. So it's a rectangle. What is rectangle? How many sides do a rectangle have? Yes, 4 sides. Next question is, what is the property? Yes, you have opposite sides to be equal. So we have this to be 500 meters and this to be 200 meters. And one more property is that angles are 90° at the corners. Okay, what else is given? Rate of tile is rupees 8. Here the thing is per 100 square meter. So this is what is given. So that is for every 100 square meter, the cost is rupees 8. Right? That's what it means. So if you're looking at 100 square meter, okay, this space is say 100 square meter. So this will cost me 8 rupees to get it tiled. So that's the funda. Now, the working. Oh yeah, sorry. Also, what is that we need to find? Total cost of tiling the rectangular plot. Rectangular plot. Working. Okay. First thing, what is that we need to figure out? Area of the plot, right? So in this case, it's equal to area of the rectangle, which is given by your length into width. Or if you guys want to write it as length into breadth, that is also okay. Both are okay. Now let's substitute the values. So this will be 500 into 200. So this will be 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be 1 lakh square meter. Okay, guys. So we found the area. Now the difficult part. So this was actually quite simple. The next part is difficult. Reason being, they are given for every 100 square meter, it is costing us 8 rupees. So it's like this. We need to figure out how many 100 square meter area makes up 1 lakh square meter. So it's like this. If I am looking at say 10 items and 10 items cost us 8 rupees. 20 items will cost us 16 rupees, is it not? So how do you do that? 10's double is, yeah, 20, so on and so forth. Let me actually write that off. So if I have 10 items and if it's charging me or someone is charging me say 40 rupees, 20 items will be, yes, 80 rupees. How did you find that 80? Think about it. Just take a second, think about it. So you figured out, okay, 10 to 20, I need to multiply with 2. 40 to 40 and this will become into 2, that is 80. Double of it, that's it, as simple as that. So how did you figure out this being double? 20 divided by 10. I found the double aspect by taking 20 and dividing it with 10. Dividing that with 10. Do you guys agree? Similarly over here, right? You have 100 square meter area making up 1 lakh square meter. So how many of them is what we are trying to figure out. So for that, what will I do? I will divide 1 lakh with 100 and this will turn out to be how much? You guys can do the long division. 1000. So 1100 square meter makes up 1 lakh and therefore cost of tiling 1 lakh square meter will be equal to 1000 into 8. This rupees 8000. Again, there's a lot of logic over here. I'll explain it again, don't worry. So it's like this. For 100 square meter, it is 8. Now the question is, for 1 lakh square meter, it's how much? All I'm doing is this. 100 into what will give me 1 lakh? 1000. So obviously here also I should multiply with 1000 and I'll get 8000, as simple as that. I'll give you guys one more relatable example. 100 items. Say it is costing me rupees 40. Now, not 100, sorry. 10 items is costing me rupees 40. Say 30 items will cost me how much? How will I go on to multiply or find the answer? Well, 110 to 30, I need to multiply with 3. So 40 into 3 will give me the answer, as simple as that. So this will be rupees 120. Okay. Similarly, you can think of it this way. You can do this itself, to be honest. So I've written this in form of words. All these are in form of words in whatever situation is over here. To express it in written manner, you need to write this, as simple as that. But conceptually, this is what we're looking at. Okay. So multiplying with 1000 will give us 1 lakh. And so here too on the other side as well, I need to multiply with 1000. So 8 becomes 8000. Yes, so as simple as that.